Hello, if I take a today, not tech or review, I'm going to bring you that idea. Here at the trading process for my last video, black screen is downstairs, my room, not upstairs, but upstairs because it's easier to come up here. Today we're replacing the power switch on its fan. Why? Oh, you see here, it does turn. It shouldn't be like that. Currently what's happening is this is broke. So the inside is not turning. This does not turn, therefore the fan switch is, in a way, basically broken. I turn the fan on here, using this power switch. Pardon, easier. Turns on, or the switch can't turn it off anymore. That's the was stuck on. This is when the unplug it and plug it in, turn it on and off. I'm done with that until I need to switch to it. We're putting in this switch right here. The same switch, the same kind of switch. A 4 position 3 on and 1 off switch into this fan. Before we start, I want to say I am by no means an electrician. I have no license to do this or no proper training. However, I do think I know what I'm doing enough to change this switch out. And if it goes wrong, it's my fault. It only hurt me and my house. Which I know how to be careful with it to make sure that it's okay to be plugged in while it's off or on. I keep my eyes on things when I first buy them up to make sure nothing's going to go wrong. So this is not a tutorial. This is not a how-to by any means. This is simply a watch me do it. And do this at your own risk. If you burn down your house or get shocked, then 100% on you and not me. Step 1, pretty obvious, unplug the power cable from the fan. Turning off the power strip is probably enough, but I prefer to have it physically unplugged. There's no way in hell, any possibility, to have any power going to it at all. The second step, we're going to take off the rear cover of the fan to get to the wiring. I'll pin you guys down here. There are 5 screws you can remove to gain access to the inside of the fan. Now these here for a reason. You don't want to see your hands while it's running. You don't get cut by the wood or hurt by the wood essentially. However, it's off, unplugged. You can see if you open up the cover and get onto the inside of the fan. There are, it's 6 screws. Yeah, 6. So we're going to do that right now. I'm right-handed. Right there. One screw out. 2. Then I'll revert to the rear panel. 3. Make sure to clip in real quick here. I'm pretty sure I have to take off work, but I just want to make sure before I normally go in that I don't have work today. Let's see here. Tuesday, 6. Alright. Okay. I got like 14 minutes to get there and get ready if I do have to work today, but I'm gonna let you take it now, but part of me always thinks, oh, maybe you're wrong, maybe you're wrong. No, I'm not wrong, fuck off. But, whatever. Alright, turn the button. These feet gotta come off too. Alright, holding on to the right, so I've taken since then. I'm gonna do that later. I was outside, I was down the cover. That's why that's all it. I used the blower I have it after I was done. So I know how is it gonna get damaged from doing it and then before. Alright. And now the better curve is on. And now we're on the sides, man. Take out the switcher, and pull this cap off. And then our two very tiny little clips we're gonna remove. Or disengage. Free hands. They are these two right here. Ours, clamp on, and boom. That is now disengaged. Okay. We have 2 ways going into the switch and 4 coming out. Alright. So 3 speeds and the neutral wire power. It's labeled, fuck yeah. Alright. Cool. What goes to the switch that is? The load wire. Alright. As you do, we have these labels. They are labeled cool. So to cut off all these wires and then rewire. Let me go down one thing quick before I do that. Alright. So I have driver, simple wire connector to connect the neutral wires together. The 2-way connection. That makes that connection from the neutral wire, because the new switch does not offer a way to connect the neutral wire through. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut off the neutral wire on this side. Basic cable. Strip that out. Yeah. With this insulation. Strip that out. What gig wire is this? Did not say when. So I think this is going to be enough. Yeah. Then you're off on here. So I know. These two are going to go together. Set the drawer off. And strip it out. It's a lot thinner. Make sure that the knife is exposed while the key is powered up because it will energize this frame here and you will get shocked when you touch it down. You don't want that to happen. It's around here. Alright. That is not bypassed on the new switch. Just over here. Alright, cool. This one, you just shove the wires into it and it holds it by itself. I don't like that, but we'll try it and see how it goes. So cut off, of course, the load wire next. I'm going to strip out the load wire. And show you where it says out on the new switch. It's supposed to be like this. Just the wrong one. And you can see your switch is rated for the amount of power you're going to be drawing. I checked it already with a kilowatt meter. We're good to go. I should use that reverse. And open that up for me. That's sure. Let's find it out. Alright. But what? I'll shove that in there. Not the greatest fit, but so is number one. I cut that off. Oh no, I need honestly. I already used the high settings. I'll look them up in case. But it's going to line 2. She's down here. And of course, gray. The old switch is now gone. And I pull off the cover switch. Take out the bolt. I put it on there. Take some of it. Or I can't remember. I'm the greatest shit business. We'll take the good switch, we'll see what I'll do. You're not there one. Yeah, I'm not with another switch. It's not a very good design at all, I think. And it. I got a longer one actually, if that sticks with the switch. Nope. It's a 14mm socket. Hold the switch like this. And pull it down. Push back one a bit. I don't work much. Yeah, it's a bad design. But it'll work. Alright. So now put it off it. Either off there or off here. I'm gonna check that. I want you to know. Put it on continuity. Go for, let's see, it's got on and then 3, so where's the one at? On and 1, or power and 1 on the same side, so I can get to it. And I fight with poison gems. I can't get to the contact with the wires from home. So I'm gonna do, I switch it off, I'm gonna plug it in. Tape. Around the others. That was the off right there. So, high should be next. Oh shit. Yeah, I forgot there's no feet on it anymore. Alright. High is next. But we're not good. All your covers and shit. I'm going to. Is the metal conductive by any chance? The French nothing. Does not. Alright. Alright. Let's do some. So inside is not the outside, I guess. Alright. I'm actually going to go to quarter so I can't look at the case. She's like, oh, nervous. It's not confident I am, probably. But I heard the check. There's no ground on here, so. That's it. We'll go once. Oh. Alright. Feel it. Listen to. Try that and see. And why are you pushing? Listen one. I'm now in Pinoid off. Problem solved, ladies and gentlemen. My intelligence works that I don't even trust myself. There's another concerning how it works, but I don't like the way the wires connect, so I'll keep my eyes on it for sure for a while. Once those lights don't come off, should be okay. I feel like the outside's not connected, but it'll get better in there for a while, I hope. So I'll take off the other cover and wash it down with the hose inside. Let me unplug this. And I'll rinse them out later. And I have everything hosed down and ready to go. I'll come back probably dry. I'm not gonna fly on the taking, 6 feet to pull the cover off, really. I mean, do I guess? Come on. I tried those the best shots to do, but hey, it's a video. I'm not from the art of it. Take it out though. I'm not first off taking anything for it. That's how just to change the clean the covers. Yeah, this time it's just to do both. Fix the switch and then clean it. So alright, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the camera with the lights and quiet it. Right, later on. Here we are at the end of the video. I raised some of the fan off camera. It's my equivalent video about me getting a shot. I talked and raised some of the fan. You kinda see it, not right. Yeah, I do raise some of the fan though. It works just fine. The switch is working fine. I can turn it on and off now, no problem. The only thing is I did have to take it apart and take off a piece of tape. It started to come off. One morning it's hitting the blade, making a weird noise. I found this piece of tape to come off. I just got holding that wire cutter I used on the neutral line. I took the cover of the vent, that tape came off and started hitting the blade as it was going around. Hold that tape out, I'll put it on together. No noises, turned it on and off, no problem. Hasn't started a fire, been plugged in since, I don't know, the day after I did the video. And that was a while ago, I don't know, actually know when. Earlier this month I think. Anyhow, everything works fine. all is good. So, again, I'm not an electrician. This is not a tutorial. This is for you to see how I did it. I'm not responsible. If you guys burn your house down, cause a problem. This is not a tutorial. Do not follow these instructions or this video. It's for you to see only, not to you. I am not responsible for any damage you cause. So that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. A successful video. And yeah, that's me guys. Take it easy.